Hi, I'm Traci Thibodeaux, CEO of Beauregard Health System. The past 18 months have been the most difficult ever for your community hospital. We've endured having to watch COVID patients suffer and die unnecessarily and oftentimes alone. Our frontline teams are experiencing tremendous emotional, mental, and physical fatigue and stress. Healthcare professionals know that they have to cope with suffering and death to some degree, and we prepare to expect the worst case scenarios periodically. None of us were prepared for this pace and frequency, 24/7, 365, for 18 months now. We now know what hitting rock bottom feels like because we're there. Just this week I was reminded about geese flying in the V formation and how we associate these behaviors to lessons on teams and leadership. One of the nuances of the geese flying in the formation is their in-flight honking, which is believed to be the geese communicating to encourage the flock so that they can endure their long flights. When COVID first emerged, members of our community gathered here in our parking lot at shift change and honked their vehicle horns boldly and repeatedly for several minutes each time a team member emerged from or entered the building. This honking was a very powerful offering of love, encouragement, and support for our healthcare team, and we felt every bit of it. Now that we're 18 months on the COVID response journey and our emergency responders and healthcare teams are weary, the front line needs even more support and encouragement than they did in the beginning. Our healthcare infrastructure is overrun with COVID patients, and our usual network of support hospitals is gridlocked. Our healthcare teams are on a long, difficult, and exhausting journey. Please do what you can to lift them up and honk in a way that's encouraging and supportive wherever and whenever you can, especially on social media. Stay safe. Thank you in advance for your kind honking in support of your community healthcare team.